Hi guys, welcome to the next class on mathematics. So let us start our lecture by praying to our teachers. कुमज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Okay, next. Okay, in previous class we were discussing 4-mark questions. In this class also we can discuss the same 4 marks, very tough questions. Okay, please pay attention while solving the problem. This problem: the 8th term of an AP is half of its second term, and the 11th term exceeds 1/3 of its 4th term by 1. Find the 15th term and the sum of first 15 terms. It's the problem. Okay, it is given that the 8th term of an AP is half of its second term. Okay, that is 34th problem. The 8th term is given. The 8th term of an AP is half of its second term, and the 11th term exceeds 1/3 of its 4th term by 1. Okay, that is 1/3 of its 4th term by 1. 11th term exceeds the 1/3 of the 4th term by 1. It is given here. Okay, you have to carefully note this. Okay, you have to learn reading the question properly and noting the given data. Okay, this should be taken care first. Okay, next. Here it is given, they have told us to find term number 15 and the sum of 15 terms. Okay, S15 and term number 15 we have to find. So let us go on finding first term A and the common difference D. Okay, so that we can find term number 15 and sum of first 15 terms. Okay, then now let us go to T8. Taking term number 8, it is given that it is equals half of second term. Term number 8 can be given as A plus 7D equals 1/2 into A plus D. So here when we take 2 in the RHS, it becomes 2 times A plus 7D equals A plus D, and when multiplying, taking it inward, it becomes 14D is 14 and A plus D. Okay. Taking this A plus D on the RHS, it becomes 2A minus A plus 14D minus D equals 0. Here nothing left, so it's 0. So 2A minus A becomes A plus it becomes 13D equals 0. Okay. That is the equation 1. And taking here it is also given that 11th term is 1/3 of the 4th term plus 1. Therefore 11th term is given by A plus 10D, and 1/3 the 4th term is A plus 3D plus 1. So A plus 10D minus 1 equals 1/3 A plus 3D, and taking the 1/3 on the RHS, it becomes into, and it becomes A plus 10D minus 1 equals A plus 3D that is 3a plus 30d minus 3 equals a plus 3d, and here taking it on LHS 3 minus e plus 30d minus 3d minus 3 equals 0, that is 2a plus 27d equals 3, that is as of this equation number 2. A plus 13d equals 0, equation number 1, and 2a plus 27d equals 3 is equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2. Okay, you know solving of simultaneous equations. Solving these two, that is solving equation 1 and 2, that is a plus 13d equals 0, and another one is 2a plus 27d equals 3. So here nothing is similar even. Okay, so we can none of the terms involving a and d are similar in both the equations, so we can make one of them similar by multiplying, cross multiplying, that is 2 by this equation and 1 by this equation. So it becomes 2a plus 26d equals 0, and 2a plus 27d equals 3. That becomes minus and minus, subtracting becomes cancels, and here it becomes minus d equals minus 3, d becomes 3. Okay, it's the answer. Okay. So we found d, and a becomes a plus 3d is 0. Substituting for d, this a becomes minus 3d minus 3 into 3 equals minus 9. A is minus 9 and d is plus 3. So the term number 15 we have to find here. We have discussed, we have to find term number 15, and it can be found, that is term number 15 can be given as a plus 14d, and a is minus 9 plus 14 to d is 3, is 9 plus 14 3s are, it was a 12, it was 3 plus 42, and that becomes 33. Term number 15 becomes 33. Sorry, we have to, this a value is here, the a value becomes wrong, and it will become wrong, and it can be read as sorry for, and here it is 2a plus 26d equals 0. Okay. Here we have to substitute for d, that is 2a equals minus 26d is minus 26 into d is 3, that becomes 3 6 18, 3 is 6 plus 7 and 2a, a becomes minus 78 by 2, so 2 3 is 6 and 2 6 is 2 9 is 18, d becomes minus 39. Okay, is minus 39. Okay, it is the right answer. So next can move on finding for D15, that is A plus 14D. A is minus 9, is minus 39. A is given by minus 39 and plus D here is 3. Okay, we know D is 3, so it becomes minus 39 plus 14 times 3 is 42, and this becomes minus it becomes 3 minus 3. Sorry, plus 3. Term number 15 is plus 3 and yes, 15, sum of 15 terms is given by, you will find, and yes, n we know is n by 2 and A plus Tn is, yes, 15 equals 15 by 2 into A here is, you know that A is minus 39 plus Tn is 3 and 15 by 2 is Tn is nothing but here Tn is T15. Okay, so T15 is the 3, term number 15. So it means 15 by 2 multiplied by minus 36. Okay, 39 minus 3 is 36, that is greater sign is minus, hence minus. Okay. 2 ones are and 2 8s are is 15, and that becomes 15 into minus 18. The answer is 15, 18, that is 8 5s are 8 5s are 40. So 8 plus 120 plus 15 is minus 270 is a sum of 15 terms. Okay, it is the answer. Okay, what we did, we took the given data, that is 8th term of an AP is half of the second term, that is 1 by 2 times the second term, and 11th term is 1/3 of the 4th term plus 1, that is they have given it as 11th term exceeds 1/3 of its 4th term by 1. Okay, that is 11th term is 1 exceeds the 1/3 of the 4th term by 1. Okay, we have written here as they have given, and using these two given data, given equations, we solved for, we got two equations, A plus 13D equals 0 and 2A plus 27D equals 3, and solving for equations 1 and 2 we got, and here we multiplied them, cross multiplied this first equation by 2 and second equation by 1, because here it is 1 by default 1A, so 1 and 2 they are cross multiplied here, 2 multiplied by this equation and 1 multiplied by this equation, so we got some and these two equations, and after subtracting them we got D as 3, the common difference as 3, and after we substituted this D value in one of these equations, that is 2 here, so we substituted in this equation 2A plus 26D equals 0, so and By substituting, we got first term a equals minus 39, and substituting in the term number 15, we found the term number 15, which is given by a plus 14d, means 15 minus 1 is 14. Okay, we got substituting for a and d, we got term number 15 equals 3, and then we have to find the sum of first 15 terms here, as they have given. Find the sum of first 15 terms. So that can be found using the formula Sn equals n by 2 into bracket a plus last term Tn, and n is given as 15, and 15 by 2, and Tn, that is the last term number 15 is 3, and substituting for that, and we got sum of 15 terms as minus 270. Okay, this is the answer. Therefore, we can also write as this S15 is minus 270 and T15 is 3. These are the answers. Thank you for watching